Dapat iyan na.
Hindi ko talino mo.
First, in Malagnating Mabasa. Second, in essay. Third, in Tabisa ng Talino. First, in
Lubos na ni
picture
Kulota.
writing, history, press on. Second, in feature writing,
Maestra ko
division,
paganda eh.
press on. Second, in Main Street presentation.
Kabidyo ka.
Second, runner-up, Queen of Hearts 2014. And she will receive a very big medal
Yay!
from City Mayor Patricia Gonzalez Ansoa, Jordan T. Guanzon, City Vice Mayor, and honorable members of the Sangguniang Panglusod ng Ligaw. Academic of Excellence will be awarded by our guest, Ma'am Joy Navera. Okay, please stay. Rochelle, please stay.
Balik
Stay,
ka,
balik.
Opo.
Rochelle,
Sa muna
balik.
bababa, kaya yung gusto lang muna. Para huwag kang pabalik-balik. Masakit yun sa paa. Please stay there. Yan, sa dulo. Kaya request, Desea Di Loyola and Rose Ann Lisniana to please come up the stage.
Lubos mo na ba?
Katabi na lang po sila mama. And Ma'am Joy, thank you po. And Sir, ayaw po pagod sila. Okay, kita mo. Sige. Kaya request, our kagawad, yung dalawa? Kagawad Nieves Ferdinand to please award a cash gift from the Sangguniang